Jane. And you, if you're looking at this video, are probably very aware that things have changed with our weather, with the landscaping. It just isn't gardening as usual anymore. But guess what? That's the good news, because now we get a chance to do it better in our gardens. We can now do wonderful things with our gardens. We can have more than just a yard. We have a chance to make them an extension of our homes. We can make outdoor rooms, sport areas. We can have places to cook. We can make them places we can go to shed off all that stress that you get daily. We can have places to live in, spaces where you can grow your own food, meditate. You can have a gorgeous garden that you can just enjoy being in and show it off to your neighbors, your friends, or play in it with your family, even your pets. Get the ball, get the ball, get it, attaboy, yeah, get it. Just think, you could have the landscape you always dreamed of. And you can do it while saving on water and while lowering your maintenance. You can even have birds and butterflies and make your garden a happier place for the wildlife and make a difference in the ecology. What we need to do is landscape so that we can handle whatever nature throws at us. Because for whatever reason, whatever it is, weather patterns are changing. This site has lots of information to help you create your own dream garden. Just check out the links. You can learn about making the best out of handling your water, whether it's going to be a lot of rain or drought time, or how to choose the right plants, checking out interesting non-living materials you can use in your garden, how to design the best water-wise garden you can have that's going to fit into your lifestyle. So, since everything changes, let's be prepared. Let's not only make our landscapes more gorgeous, more useful, and, well, more fun. We can also at the same time make a difference to the world. So check out the links. There are all kinds of ways that can help you have your garden remain gorgeous no matter what Mother Nature sends you. And you can do your part in preserving the planet. Since none of us wants to be victims to this new climate, are you ready to take charge of your new landscape and get what you want?